Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to talk about my net house number 3. What you can see behind me is my net house, and this is the A-frame type of net house which I have built to grow vegetables on the terrace. So here I am going to grow vegetables with this protected house and the grow bag system. You can also grow your vegetables on your terrace with this system. Now, how to prepare this net house, or what are the steps I have followed to prepare this, I am going to demonstrate in this video in detail. So to know everything how I have created this net house, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start the video. This is the framework we have prepared for our A-frame net house. It's a small net house which we are preparing for the vegetable growing. You can see that frame we have already prepared. Here are the columns. 2 columns are there. And on the top we have taken a A-frame with the bracing in between for the strength. Now we are fixing the profile on this to fix the net with the help of spring. So we are positioning the profile in the vertical position, and we are just fixing it with the help of a self-threading screw. We need to put the screw every 1.5 to 2 feet apart so that it retain its strength for holding the nets in the position. So likewise, we will fit all the profiles on the whole periphery of this A-frame. Then we will erect the frames. So now you can see that our all 3 frames are ready with all the fittings, including that profile and bolting. Now we are going to fix this over here, and for that we have already done these foundations. So you can see that we have done the 6 foundation pipes over here. Now we have to just fix these frames into this pipe and then again fit it with the purlin, so it will maintain its position. So you can see that all the frames are ready, and now we are going to start erection. Before that we have done this foundation pipe fitting over here with the dimensions, and the frames are ready with all the nut and bolts and fixing the profiles. Now we are inserting these frames into these foundations. So simply we will erect this into the position. After that we will tie these members with the help of the purlins. So likewise we will fix all 3 pipes into position. So now you can see that all the frames are ready, and now we are fixing the purlins. For fixing the purlin, we have already put the clamps into these frames. So we simply adjust the hole and putting the nut bolts into it. And this is how we are going to fix the purlin. This purlin will give good strength to our framework for standing standalone. So after fitting, it will be like this. This is how we will fit all the purlins into it first. So now you can see that our framework is over. We have fit all the purlins, columns, and the frame is now perfectly fit. We have fit the door even. You can see the door over here. Now it is time to fix the net. So we have a mono net over here. So first we are passing the net through the top, and then we will tighten the net with the help of springs. So now we are fixing this net with the help of spring. So we are keeping some net below just to ensure that it will remain still at the bottom. So now we have fixed this net on one side with all the springs on the top. Now we are fixing on the other side by stretching the nets full on the other side, so it will remain into tight position on the top. So every few meters we are tightening it and locking it with the spring. See, now again we will tighten the net like this, and again lock this with the help of spring. This is how we will fix all sides of the nets, including the doors, and complete the net house. I will update you once we finish this. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So friends, we have just seen the procedure how we have prepared this net house, and you can see that now net house is completely ready. Now we will see from the inside what we have done inside. So for that we have this door fitted over here to get in or out and keep the house lock. So once we enter this house, we can see that lot of grow bags are over here. These are the grow bags which we have already started couple of months back. It was not taken carefully, but now it will be reorganized and rearranged into this system. You can see all the grow bags. This is the turmeric which we were going earlier, which is almost now getting ripening. These are the potato we have just started. There is a tomato. Here is the brinjal. So all that we are going to grow into this house. Now you can see the construction of this house is very simple A-frame with the supported in the crossbar. Now we are going to put a drip system into this and some trellises into this. So it will be completely automated, and I will update you the what automation or what updation we are doing into this house with a separate video. But right now you can just take the feel. So this is the house where it is 6 meter wide, 10 meter long, and you can see the area overall 60 square meter or around 650 square feet area. And we are going to plant around 400 plants into this house. For that I will update you with a separate video how we have planted 400 plants into such a small space. But for now you can just take the feel of this house and plant for your net house. Happy growing!